Here in Marshall County, they are actually going to be tripling their storage capacity with that mobile morgue, a refrigerated truck, because while they're not at capacity right now, anything can change in a week or two.
Coroner's offices and county EMAs are basically on our own and trying to determine what we need to do to respond to this.
Marshall County's coroner, Cody Nugent, is no stranger to death, but what he's encountering during this pandemic is nothing like the county has seen before.
July of August 2020 to July of August of this year, we had a 40% increase in deaths just in our office. That's not counting hospital deaths, hospice deaths, things like that. That's just strictly the Marshall County Coroner's Office. And so on average year, we would normally work about 165 cases a year. And as of right now, which is September 16th, we're at about 170.
The two hospitals in this county don't have morgue space, so it's up to the coroner and the two small funeral homes in town to keep up with the growing demand. And it's not just COVID deaths they're seeing spike.
Honestly, at this point, we can't really say what is directly COVID related and what isn't in our office, because we have a lot of folks that we're going out to residents that aren't being tested, that may have symptoms. So we're seeing an influx in deaths.
Resources stretched thin. Deputy coroners are volunteers here currently, and they are personally feeling the impacts of the pandemic too.
And I also have to worry about my deputies. I have one deputy now who's actually out with COVID, is just now trying to make a recovery from it. And so I'm actually down staff just from COVID with still an increase in deaths just in ours. So we're all feeling the strain of just the overall, I guess the overall strain of the death rate.
2 weeks ago, they were at morgue capacity, and on this day, they have a few spaces open in the morgue. A day-by-day struggle to keep up as the pandemic drags on.
So having any type of influx in deaths can really put us just over that limit.
The coroner's office actually added this refrigeration unit here at the morgue at the end of last year. They say that they are hopeful that they won't have to use that mobile morgue unit, but they are ready if they need it. Reporting in Marshall County, Matt Kroschel, Way 31 News.